down by the sea. I hear the wind calling me. A tired heart wants to rest in a faith that passes every test. Slow steps walking on the sand. Time heals wounds we don't understand. Even in the darkest night, there's always a guiding light. When the world feels heavy on me, I close my eyes and I believe every tear will fade away. Every pain won't always stay. I walk steady, I walk in peace, which has love that never leaves. Even far I fear you near, light on my way, no fear. I walk steady, I walk up strong. Roots reggae keeps me going on. In this rhythm I remain, light on my way, Jah, amen. Sirens crying in the street, but my soul wants to be free. I won't trade my truth or soul for silver chains or gold. The bass line speaks to my heart. Every note is a prayer to start. Reggae sound brings unity, heals the soul, sets spirits free. If my voice begins to fade, let the rhythm guide my way. Through the storm or through the sun,